In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the transmission mount on your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. Using a 21mm socket, remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a 19mm, we're going to loosen the nut on the top of the transmission mount. We're going to leave this nut on just a few threads. Using a jack and a piece of wood, we're going to put this under the transmission. You don't want to put this under the pan. You want to put it on a nice solid part. We're not going to jack this up. We're just going to put it here to support the engine. And once we have all of the bolts out of our mount, then we'll go up on our jack. We're going to remove the three 17mm nuts off of the transmission mount. There's usually plastic caps covering these holes. If you have those, go ahead and use a flathead screwdriver and just pop them out of the hole. Using a 17mm socket, we'll remove the nuts. We're going to go up on our jack. Before you go all the way up, remove that top nut that's on just a few threads. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt for the plastic shield. Remove the bolt. Using a pry bar, we're going to help the transmission mount top stud out of the transmission, tilt the mount back, and then remove it. Install the new trans mount. Get these bottom studs started first. Install the bolt for the plastic shield. Snug it down. Install the three nuts on the bottom of the transmission mount. I'm going to start them all by hand and then go around and zip them down. We're going to go down on our jack. Remove it from the vehicle. Work the bottom transmission mount bolts to 64 foot-pounds. Before installing the top nut, be sure that you have a nice clean surface for it to sit on. We're just going to go around with our finger and clean it up. Install the nut. Snug the bolt down. Torque this top nut to 70 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench in there, do the best you can. Install the wheel and get the lug nuts started. Snug down the lug nuts. And we'll torque the wheel on the ground. Torque the lug nuts in a star pattern to 76 foot-pounds. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.